Welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, this channel was created to enable people to have financial freedom by learning different ways to make money online in 2022. To further support this channel, please subscribe and leave a like button to my videos. Well, today we would be looking at 3 ways to make money online 2022. Stay tuned because you would not want to miss the last part. Start an e-commerce store. Creating an online shop, known as an e-commerce store, is a lucrative way to make money online. An online shop is far more profitable than its brick-and-mortar counterpart as it eliminates the need for expenditure on rent and property insurance. E-commerce stores also offer scope for massive growth as you can target customers from anywhere in the world. Keep up to date with popular product trends. Intercepting the market just before products go viral can earn you thousands. Sellers who picked up on the fidget spinner trend, for example, saw 10 to 20 times their initial investment. You can easily set up an e-commerce store on platforms such as Shopify. Generating significant income requires effective marketing. Create a strong brand and advertise your store through social media and Facebook ads to increase traffic to your website. Start trading online. Trading online can be a lucrative moneymaker. Online trading involves buying and selling stocks, shares and currency, typically through an online broker, to make a profit. In recent years there has been a boom in the number of people trading online. The Forex market alone, a market which trades different currencies, sees a daily trading volume of £3.9 trillion. The best advice for any wannabe trader is research, research, research. Scrupulously studying the market is critical to becoming a successful online trader. You'll need to be hot on the different types of trading and be aware of market trends. Once you're clued up on the market, you then need to decide on the kind of trading you want to engage in. Cryptocurrency, for example, has proved a popular medium in recent years. Next, decide on a broker to use for buying and selling. Popular platforms include eToro, Plus 508. Many trading platforms provide trading simulators for new traders to practice on. Take advantage of the option to trade with no money and play before entering live trades. 3. Get paid to test websites and apps. Before launching a website or app, companies employ usability testing to evaluate how easy a service is to use and to expose any bugs or glitches. You can earn money as a user tester with just a computer and a microphone. For many tests, you'll need to record yourself so that the company can evaluate an authentic user experience. With an endless amount of software providers, new apps and websites, user testers are always in high demand. Web testing covers user experience, user interface testing and development testing. You can find lots of products and services to test on third-party websites such as Try.io, Web Usability and Enroll. Signing up takes a matter of minutes. Thank you for watching this video today. I really hope you got some insights from it. And you can start making some money for yourself in 2022. Hope to see you in the next video. Make sure to leave a like and check the description below. Bye for now.